Hey everybody, I'm back with update video 3, and today I'm going to show you what I added in over the past probably 4 to 5 hours. I worked on it when I had time when I wasn't working, and I was sick today, so I had some amount of time to work on it. So I did change a lot of things. First thing you'll notice is I changed all the coloring. I hated that blue coloring, it was really ugly, so I thought this was more appropriate. I still didn't add in registering, don't really care about it. Once again, still decided I wanted to do MySQL or just save it into folders and files, but probably going to go MySQL just to keep it quicker, more efficient, things like that. But okay, let's go into the game. So first thing you see that kind of a fade-in effect there. I don't know if you caught that. If you didn't, you can go back and catch it again. Small little things. I redid the chat so it is centered however long you would plan to type it. Doesn't really matter, it's going to center over the player's head, so that is nice. Let me just add another player here for you guys. Once again, there's that fade in. Alright, so that's that there, so we got rid of the whole uncenteredness, and it's centered on both screens now. Now I'm lagging personally. There's too much lag going on the server. I can kind of feel it, but it's just lagging because of the recording. Now let me show you. You can obviously see the icons on the sides. The first thing I added was the inventory. Of course, this is really ugly. I'm well aware of that. I really don't care about the whole look of it, more of getting it down. Once I do get far enough into the game, I feel it's time to get a graphic designer. I will add that in. Equipping does nothing currently. You saw maybe a little bug thing come down there. Other than that, it does nothing. I also added in the equips, so you can equip things. This can be your head armor. This is your torso, legs, feet, weapon, and then necklace here, or pendant. That's that, and then I did not add in stats, it's just a placeholder for now. Once I get to that, I will do it. Here comes the fade effect, by the way, once again. So that's the fading in, fading out. So I just added in another room just to test that whole fading in, fading out. And you might have caught that graphic layer right there. There's no collisions here, so as I go through it, that happens. So I still have to work on that. But anyways, getting to the whole inventory. So let me give myself some items. I added in some chat commands as well. So I'll give myself jade necklace was one of them that I had. I'll give myself a wooden sword as well, and that should be good for now. You also saw that test there. If you press E, it also shows you inventory. I was testing a little pop-up thing there. Now when you put your mouse over the different items, it does show the information, so that's pretty cool. And when I click on it, you can see it kind of, well, you can't really see the wooden sword, I'm sorry about that. The color is kind of crappy. But when I click on it, it moves it up. When I move it, it moves it around. So this gives you information. So it's a rare item. It's a jade necklace. I have one of them. It's a necklace made out of a silver with a jade pendant. Obviously, it's not the picture. I really don't care about the picture. It's just a placeholder right now. This is a sword. So swords give you attack and speed. So that's showing you your attack and speed. Now let me show you really quickly how that works. So I have all of the actual items here. So once again, give me a second. Let me show you the iron chest plate. Spaces are just put in by underscores, so iron chest plate 1. Let me show you this. So, oopsie, where did that go? Probably typed it in wrong. Iron chest plate 1. Alright, there it is. So with armor, you see there's defense. So I have armor, I have necklaces, which don't give any boosts currently. I have weapons, and then I also have miscellaneous items. So, for example, I have a rock for one. So it's a little rock. It's just a rock found covered in mud. And you also notice that when items have a certain limit, I guess you would say, to how much they can hold. So rocks can only have 10, or 20, I'm sorry. They can only have 20, so if I go over that, it's going to pretty much create a new one. Items like weapons only have 1, so give wooden sword another one. Oops, I have to do my name in front of it. Bear with me for a second. Alright, so you'll see that they don't overlap there, and there's the other one there. Now when I move them around, it's pretty simple. Now say I want to equip it. I click on it, and then I click equip, and it equips it. If I want to do the iron chest plate, I click on it, press equip, it equips it. Jade necklace, click on it, equip it. Now this is all handled by the server. All the inventory, all the equips is all handled by the server. Only thing that the client gets is where everything is located in the inventory. So that's how it positions it. So you'll see that they don't show back up here. Now when I go to my equipment, it shows up here. So we have the, I don't have the info thing here. I should probably add that actually. It's not a bad idea. I have my weapon over here, my armor here, and my necklace here. And it does distinguish between each of them. You can't like set one in the head if you wanted to. It does it by itself. So that's the items. I added in the whole item thing. That's pretty much the extent of what I added in. Now you can see, once again, I did add in a maker for items because, you know, I like to keep it organized and very object oriented and no hard coding. So pretty much we can add in a new thing. So we can add in like a YouTube weapon, whatever. We'll make it a weapon, clearly. Description will be a weapon to demonstrate to YouTube. Boom. Rarity is obviously it's godly. No duh. Image ID is going to be, we will do it at we'll do it at 1. Actually, we'll do it at 0. That's all done behind the scenes. Depends on where it is on the tile set. Max count will have 1. Damage will have 500, obviously. Speed's gonna be 500. Boost, we're gonna have nothing because I didn't implement boost yet. That's coming up. So when I click save, successfully creating the items, the item to items, YouTube weapon, the XML. So I'm gonna grab that. I copy it into there, and then also into here. And now when we restart the server, and let me do that. Let me go to the items, so we see the items are in there. We'll start up the client again. We will connect it. Now we have nothing in our inventory. Now when we, now when we give ourselves that item, so give, shoot, I type in a name for myself. I hate that. Alright, base. Alright, so give base YouTube weapon 1, and there it is. So YouTube weapon 1, weapon to demonstrate to YouTube, plus 500 attack, plus 500 speed, and it's godly. So that's how it works. So if I click equip, it automatically goes to the weapon slot. So that's how it works. I mean, it's super simple to add in new weapons. That's just what I love. If you guys haven't noticed, I love being able to add in things dynamically without having to edit any of the code. I just drop it in there and boom, it's working. So I mean, it's pretty cool. I'm pretty proud of it once again. Let me know what you guys think of it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Some new updates will be out soon. Alright, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.